Confirm benchmark elevation, Station A.
Road inside the flagged corridor.
Borehole B03 at tank center, proceed.
Seal it, sample B03, 6 meters.
Blade down, cut to design grade. Depth at 1.2 meters.
Keep the tow trench continuous, no gaps. No entry until the box is pinned. Start at 50%, watch turbidity.
Verify offset, then start the pilot.
Hold, centralizer set, continue down.
Cutoff elevation matches, log the count.
Keep clear cover, use the chairs.
Bring the form in 10 millimeters.
Anchors plumb. Lock the template. Embed complete.
Vibrate in lift, no honeycombing.
Keep that top within 3 millimeters.
Just watch the cable very messy.
Barricade stays, no foot traffic on it.
Maturity reached.
Plan strip at first light.
One line true, keep the wall straight. The transcription for this video is, keep lifts consistent, no cold joint. Square is good, start column forms next.
Plumb confirmed, lock braces and tag it.
Verify heat numbers before we rig. Hold, plumb check, then snug bolts.
Gap is good, tack every 300.
Fasten every rib at supports.
Keep it level, watch the edge. Green tag only, no shortcuts.
Somehow AS right or not.
Below clear.
Brace complete, brace complete.
Release the basket.
Keep the bond. Don't rush corners.
Wet cut only, keep dust down.
Mark the curb, match the shop template.
Camber matches, tack and move on.
Rafters aligned, prep for trial lift.
Pins in, torque per spec, then release.
Continuity test after each bond.
Label both ends, no mis. Barrier continuous, no unsealed seams.
Set it plumb. Seal all 4 sides.
Leave film on, remove at Fainal Clean.
Door set.
Bolt it up, 2 bolts minimum per seat.
Mark torque paint. QC needs to see it.
Seam tight, no over torquey fasteners.
Test pass.
Root pass clean. Keep purge on.
Align with intolerant. No pipe strain. Confirm drains, then weld the tie-in.
Tray height okay, keep 300 mil of clearance. No sharp bends, respect fill limits. Pull box set.
Bond every box, check continuity. JBV07 complete.
Keep signal separated, don't cross power.
Loop 23 pulled.
Set drain at grade, confirm trap primer.
Water on, water off.
Maintain fall, no bellies in this run. Slope good.
Hold at test pressure. Check for drops.
Flow arrow forward, match the isometric.
Valve skid set. Keep nozzle true, don't force the fit. Torque marked, coverage matches the plan. Monitor 3 set. Seal the vapor barrier, no gaps. Leave labels readable, don't cover arrows.
Old openings. Match the door schedule.
Backboard height fixed, block it now. Screws flush, don't break paper. Stagger joints, leave access panel clear.
Feather edges, no ridges at seams.
Come on. Come on. Wide pass, blend to invisible.
Cut in clean, don't flood the corners.
Surface okay. Release for finish paint.
Straight, match the safety plan.
Stripe complete.
Seams tight, no bubbles.
Corners neat. No gaps behind the cove.
Level it, anchor into the blocking. Cabinet set.
Mount at spec height. Seal the edges.
Label circuits. Test one before closing.
Keep the swale clear. Water must run free. Recompact this lane, hit spec density.
Energy confirmed. Log the reading.
Gauge stable, no leaks at joints. Flow good, log the flush time. Every valve, both sides visible.
No holidays. Sign.
Drop zone clear.
Remove film carefully. No scratches.
Final clean room.
DFT in range, stencil the arrow.
Valve lineup verified. Ready for turnover.
Emergency channel confirmed. Log the test.
Match P and ID, tag number must align.
Tags complete.
Signage visible. Place it at eye level.
Valve close.
Cycle complete. Record open time.
Rotation correct. Log vibration baseline.
Docks complete. Ready for owner walk.
This is the foam manifold and test header.
Alarm test next. Stand by for horn.
Site ready. Begin final walkthrough.
All systems tagged and documented. Ready.
Complete.
Complete.
Handover complete.
Turnover signed. Tank farm complete.
Subscribe, like, and share.